Hello everyone and welcome to my first grappling hook unboxing video. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. What? Okay, anyway, I'm scared. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Also, I already opened it. So I put it in this cereal box so that you could open it too with me. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wow. So pretty and green. Wow. Wow. High visibility so that people can see me with it when I'm like walking around the town and they can be like, I need help. Can you help me? Help! My grandma is stuck in a tree. Please help, oh God, please. They can say that to me and I can help them with their grandma. So this is the this is called the boat anchor 3.5 pound folding anchor grapnel anchor kit for kayaks, canoes, paddle boards, 50-foot rope full kit, green grappling hook anchor hook version for boats. So I might have been a little impulsive when I opened this, but you know, I did it because Amazon said it would be ready right away and it would send it, you know, same day shipping, so I bought it. Okay, you ready? This little collar guy slides down and then look at that. Look at that. Whoa. It's heavy. You know, any bad guy who tries to stop me from saving the day, right to the brain. Also, you know, here's the rope. It's got this thing and I can hook it onto my like belt loop when I'm grappling downwards from a building or a tree or anything, literally anything. I can do that from anything, but I can hook this to my belt loop so that I won't fall down too hard. So as many of you know, my girlfriend broke up with me because of the grappling hook, so I need you to donate money to me so I can pay her back for the grappling hook, and then I can afford to make it into town to like save people and stuff. So please donate to my girlfriend's Zelle, and then once it passes $150, I can get some of that. So please help me. And then look. So if you donate to me for that, I will go around town. And I will help people, and I will also get more grappling hooks to make more videos. Please, thank you, please, goodbye.